Good morning, welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be explaining to you guys why the turtle light is illuminated on your dash. And you're probably wondering, like, what the heck is this guy talking about? What turtle light is illuminated on my dash? Well, that's what my sister called it, and it's a warning light. But you know what? Let's take a look at the light together. Here, come through. Alright, so it's supposed to be a face down light bulb with an X, but the more that I look at it, I'm like, you know what? It does look like a turtle. I mean, we got the little head right here, turtle shell, two front feet, and two little back feet. I mean, that looks like a little turtle to me. So she ain't wrong. So when the turtle light illuminates on your dash, that lets you know that one or more of the exterior lights have failed. So if you turn the light switch on and it automatically turns on that warning light, you can step out of the vehicle, walk around and check to see what light bulb has failed. But if that warning light only turns on when you step on the brakes, that lets you know right away that it's a brake light that has failed. So that's the issue that I'm having with my Jag. So let's fix it together. Let's go. Alright, so I'm currently stepping on the brakes right now, and I just can't believe both side brake lights have failed. I've been driving around like this thinking that, oh, it's just one brake light, I'll fix it later. Without brake lights, and I waited to make this video for about like 2 weeks. 2 weeks I've been driving without brake lights. That's ludicrous. This whole time I thought it was just one light bulb that was out until I started filming right now and I realized that both sides brake lights are out. That's crazy. I know I had a cop behind me a few days ago too. He could have caught me. But yeah, I already have a video on how to replace the exterior light bulbs on an X300. So I feel like I shouldn't need to be making the same video again. So let's replace these bulbs. You can usually tell when the light bulb is bad. Look for a dark burnt tint around it, or if the filament inside coil spring looks worn out or broken and not making contact, that's a burned light bulb that needs to be replaced. So replacing all 4 light bulbs should fix this brake light issue, but let's double check. Keep an eye on the brake lights, you guys, and let me know. Alright guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you own an X300. Check out the playlist, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so it's supposed to be a backwards light bulb with an X on it. Whoa, that was trippy. Oh, my mojo.